This is 142, and this is basically a class in assembly language coding. We're going to understand a lot about the hardware and a lot about how machines work. And as far as class mechanics, I already mentioned you do not need to physically come to class. If you don't want to, I have a Twitch stream that's live, that's streaming now. Let me refresh this and make sure it's in fact streaming now. Yeah, so you can just connect to the Twitch stream if you like, or you can just watch a YouTube video later. After the class, I will post the YouTube videos here. They're available to anybody. So you can do that too. You can also completely ignore the lecture and just read the book and learn from that. You're not graded on attendance. Your grade just comes from quizzes and discussions and hands-on projects you do. And all the quizzes and discussions are in a Canvas system, but I'm not using the official Canvas system from the college. I found that colleges tend to run their servers very badly, where I can't stand it, so I have my own server, which I control. So the main thing you need to know to take any of my classes is this, samsclass.info. That's the starting place for all my classes, because I've been doing this since before there was Canvas. And so I got used to doing it my way. And so go there, click on your class, which is 142 here, and then you'll get the page, and pretty much everything you need is on this page. So the textbook is free online book, and the quizzes you enroll, you sign up here with an email address to get on this server, then you can view the course, and if you have to reset your password, it's there. And it's just a Canvas server like any other, except I control it so it doesn't get shut down until I want to. And there's discussion boards in there, and there's quizzes in there to see if you've read the chapters and understood them, just sort of as a study aid. So you get points from that, but most of your points you get from doing hands-on projects. That's what we all came here to do, something, not to just read something mostly. And so there's projects due every week. If you're late, turn it in anyway. There's a very small late penalty. There may be no late penalty at all. My grader makes decisions like that. The only reason I ever have a late penalty is to prevent everybody from putting everything off till the last week. So don't be reluctant to do something just because it's late. And the projects are down here, and I'll demonstrate them later. There's an automatic scoring engine. It's just like a video game. And one thing to know is you just have to make a certain number of points to succeed. In fact, I've got the chart up. Let me get the Canvas up here. There we are. So this is the class, and here's the grading. So there's just a certain number of points you need for an A or B or C. That's it. Points are points. It's just like a video game. And so you can, for example, the quizzes are worth points, the discussions are worth points, and the hands-on projects are worth points. And if you look at the hands-on projects, there's a lot more available. Like this was 83 points extra. This has 75 extra, 15 extra. You can make a lot of extra credit by doing more hands-on projects, enough that you can make up for everything else. Usually none of my students don't even bother taking the final exam because they've done enough extra credit by then that they already have an A. So that's how it works. It's all these hands-on projects, quizzes, and discussions are the only things that matter. That's why it doesn't matter whether you attend class, doesn't matter whether you watch the videos. What matters is if you do the work. As long as you learn the stuff and do the work, I'm happy. All right, are there any questions about anything? If anybody wants to add, you can make a request online and I'll approve it. But all right, then let me go to the first chapter here. I'm checking, okay, there's nobody on the Twitch stream, but there probably will be later. Oh, another fun fact is that I'm available to help you a lot. You can connect to my Twitch stream Monday through Thursday at 7:30 p.m. or Saturday at 11:30 a.m. And what I do is my classes generally go 3 hours, not this one, but I only use the first half of it. In the second half, I just answer questions on any topic. Even questions from another class is fine, although I might not know the answer, but I'm happy to help people any way you can, especially these days. Especially remote students are often lost and they can't figure out what to do, although I don't know much what to do at this college either. I'm just a part-timer and I'm hazy on the administrative stuff here. But anyway, I'll try and help if I can. So, let's see, let me stop.